Guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get the seagulls trinket achievement. So what you want to do is jump up here, climb up here, and jump on this little pillar over here. And then you want to jump over to this castle looking area. And then you would want to use one of these pillars to get up there. But right now I'm going to use this pillar. So what you'd want to do is come over here. You want to try to get up here. And then you'd want to jump on the tree. And wait. And you'd want to wait for the seagull to come towards you. You see, it has a ticket. So once it flies right back around, I'll hover and I'll show you the right spot to collect it. Like, you want to come over here, and then you should be able to touch it to collect it. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'm gonna leave it off here. Okay, guys? I hope this was helpful for you. So, goodbye. Have a nice day.